Hey everyone, Jorge with Dent Motion. Welcome back. Today we're working on a 2018 Toyota Camry. Beautiful car. I actually haven't seen one right in front of me. Absolutely slick car. I'm kind of a Toyota Camry sucker for a long time. I think they're very reliable cars and I really have great appreciation for them. Let me show you what happened here. This was happened to be that the customer was some kind of a concert, and when they got back to the car where they had parked, there were some strong winds over here in Colorado. Actually happened in Boulder, and a tree fell and hit the door. Luckily didn't damage the paint, so we're going to do the paintless dent repair on the passenger front right door. Let me show you the vehicle and the damage. So here's the vehicle. It's just so nice. I mean, super nice. I mean, it's actually just looked at, has some kind of a front camera. I would imagine that's for a braking system. I mean, interior, the red on it, I mean, I kind of like everything about it. I'm sure not everyone's gonna agree with me, but the wheels, the wing, I mean, everything has got a glass roof. Anyways, let's get back to business. Here's the damage on the door. Has a lip here. Damage. I mean, the damage stretches all the way up to the top here. Of course, hard to see because it's white. But I mean, it's significant damage. The customer doesn't want to have it painted. He wants to have us remove this dent used in paintless dent repair. I'll continue to show you the process. I might have to remove this door to repair it. Okay everyone, here's the Camry door. Here's my setup. Once again, I removed it. It just makes life easier. I guarantee all of this work that, you know, it goes back the way it's supposed to. This is pretty bad dent that is gonna get taken care of. Looking really good right on the body line. It almost looks like the end of an arrow, like an Indian arrow. It's amazing what metal does. No paint damage though, luckily. So we're gonna be able to repair this. Right now I'm working on knocking this down right here. This brow right here, I believe with all the pressure is hanging, and I'm gonna work on that. I haven't put any heat on there yet, but I will, you know, it's kind of improvising when it comes to paintless dent repair, and you know, there's no really explaining it. You know, but try to return the panel to where the you know, prior to the damage, kind of reverse the damage. Anyways, I'll continue to show you. Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here. Damage is coming out, looking really good actually. So I'm gonna push here. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try to hold the phone and fix his dent. These are what we call soft, gentle pushes. I hope you can see them. Let's see. I'm gonna put you on that yellow line there. That's where I am. Kind of gently pushing this damage out. I did hammer some down. Now I kind of thought it's switching to pushing now. Soon I'll switch back to topping down, and it's a lot of give and take when it comes to this damage. Some of the damage comes out fairly easy, some of the damage it doesn't. All depends where the pressure is trapped, but you know, little by little getting this dent out. Anyways, let me keep pushing away. Okay, so this is where I'm at the current moment. I still have a few waves. There's one wave that's coming up this way, probably inside underneath the door handle. I'm still working on that. I'm working on this one right here. I'm gonna buff now because I can't see in the deep part right here of this little. It's hard to see in this crease inside here and here, so I'm gonna buff and get some of those scratches out. It's looking a lot better. I mean, you guys, if you rewind the video, you'll see what the damage used to look like. A lot better. Making some progress, and it's been I'd say probably 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half. Anyways, just after I buffed it, and just to show retail versus wholesale, I still have to work. There's a crease that goes all the way here, okay, here and here. There's some imperfections right here that I'm gonna clean up. Down here is looking really, really, really close. Retail versus wholesale. This is a retail job on a brand new car. There's the door missing. And I don't know the miles, but if I had to guess, this car probably has maybe 1,500 miles. He had just bought it. There it is. I'll show you the end result. It's gonna look really good. I'm really excited about it. Okay, so here's the repair. Okay, there are a couple of waves. One's right here. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but there is an obstruction, which they call the crash beam, right there. Okay, and the glue, which is this piece sticking out right there, that pushes the metal down, and it kind of creates a little wave. I'm being nitpicky, but I just kind of wanted to show, because I talked about retail versus wholesale, and I just wanted to show, you know, what I believe retail needs to be. There's a little tiny little crease right here. It's kind of right there. It's hard to see. I'm probably just gonna let that be. I might buff it a little bit. I kind of didn't want to wet sand. I'm gonna try to buff it again and call it a day. That's what that repair looks like now. In my opinion, it's absolutely beautiful compared to where it was. I'm gonna mount it on the car, finish it, mount it on the car, and then I'll probably bring it outside. I'm gonna try to give you the best final video for you. Okay, I would call this success. This is retail quality paintless dent repair. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The body line is back. I didn't want to wet sand, so this is no wet sanding, only polishing so I can see the bottom of the dent. There's still some surface scratches that on the clear coat. I explained to the customer it's better to live with those than with a big old dent. Beautiful repair. Okay, I thought I'd actually take a video of the after inside my shop. I think this will make a better the ability that you can see what this repair looks like. I'm down on the ground. Let me get back here. Just beautiful. Beautiful retail quality repair. Just fantastic. Like it came out of the showroom. Looking great. Okay, thanks for watching this new video on this 2018 Camry. Sorry about that, Toyota Camry. The repair came out beautiful. Retail quality. Retail pricing is a little different than wholesale. The customer wanted it original. He didn't want any paint work, didn't want any troubles with taking it to a body shop. This repair took me about 4 hours to finish. 4 hours? Yeah, I would say roughly 4 hours. I gave the customer a ride to his job. Later on today, I got to go pick him up. I offer that at times when people are close to my shop. It makes the repair a cleaner repair in a controlled environment. I don't have to do it outside. So I'm really happy that I was able to take care of this. Actually, doing it in my shop, it also speeds up the process. I feel that way. Dentmotion.com is my website. You can call me at 720-552-0808. Calls me directly. Let's talk about what you have. Let's talk about your damage. Give me a call before you come by my shop. Oftentimes I'm not here. I'm doing mobile dent repair. Thanks for watching once again. I really appreciate making these videos. I love what I do. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.